Let's take a look at how RAIDA Chat works. RAIDA Chat is, of course, for those that want to make sure that their conversations or messages are completely private and secure. If you take a look down here in my contacts, the only contact that I have is named Zebra. You may think that's kind of a funny name, but the reason that I chose Zebra is because this is kind of a code name that I use for the person that I'm messaging with, so I don't want to use their real name. If someone happens to see my screen here, they won't even know who I'm talking to. So if I say, I've already got hello there, but let's go ahead and write it there again. There we go. So let's go up here to the top left, and I'm going to click Add Contact. So we've got three fields here. The first one is the code name, just as you saw before. I'm going to come up with a name that is not the name of the new contact here that I want to create. You could use this person's real name, but for ultimate security and anonymity, you'll want to use something else. We've also got address number. Every person that has RAIDA Chat has their own address number. In fact, let's cancel here. You'll see here in the About section, my address number are these 5 digits here. Let's go back to Add Contact. We've also got this field, Shared Secret. Now, this is going to be a 32 hexadecimal string of characters. We have a little bit of information here at the bottom. But what we want to do is this shared secret is going to be exactly the same for your contact. So in other words, whatever you put in here, your contact has to put the same thing in their field. So there are a few ways to go about getting a shared secret. In fact, if you're the kind of person that's into this, you could even roll some special dice and come up with a resulting 32 uh, character string that you can then record. But otherwise, you can simply go to here at the bottom, it says GUIDgenerator.com. I'm going to go there right now. What you want to do is simply click this button, except before I do that, I'm going to uncheck hyphens because we don't want any hyphens. If I click this here, you'll see I just got a new string of characters. I'm going to click copy to clipboard, so that'll just copy it for me. And then let's go back here to RAIDA Chat, and then I can simply paste that here into the shared secret. Now, you might be thinking, well, how are we going to share both the contact and me? How are we going to share these things with each other, specifically the shared secret, but also the address number? How am I going to get my address number to my contact so they know how to contact me? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the CloudCoin manager. If you don't have this, you can go to cloudcoin.global to download it, and then you can install it. What you need to do is have a SkyVault. So right here, these are just kind of some test SkyVault addresses. Let's say that I were Jeff here, jeff.skyvault.cc, and I wanted to send my shared secret and my address number to Jake. Well, I can do this by going here to New Transactions and Transfer Coins, and then to another SkyVault user. You could do between SkyVaults. In this case, I'm just going to do to another SkyVault user. And then you're going to type in the address of the person that you want to share your information with. So in this case, let's go ahead and just share it with Jake. And I have to send at least one cloud coin. This may seem a bit strange, but the reason that I'm doing this is in order to actually send the information, the RAIDA Chat information to my contact. And in order to do that, I have to send at least one cloud coin. So you'll see I do have a cloud coin here to send. So I can paste in my GUID or my 32 character string here. And then I can also go ahead and share my address number. So I might just create a couple spaces there. And let's go back, see what my address number is. It's 42227. 42227. And let's go ahead and transfer. Okay, so it was successfully transferred to Jake. So let's go to Jake. And so Jake, on his end, he would see right here, here's the shared secret. And then here is the address number. And then he will be able to paste this in, each of these, on his side in his RaidaChat program. And what he can do from there is he can actually send me back his address number here. And then once that is complete and you have both successfully filled out each of these fields, you're going to go ahead and just click add. I'm going to hit cancel. But once you hit add, you should have a new contact there and you'll be able to begin messaging right away.